What is computer hardware? Computer hardware is the physical components of a computer system. It is the tangible part of a computer, as opposed to the software, which is the intangible part. Computer hardware includes the following components. Input devices. These devices allow users to input data into the computer, such as the keyboard, mouse, and microphone. Processing devices. These devices process data and instructions, such as the central processing unit, CPU, and the graphics processing unit, GPU. Storage devices. These devices store data such as the hard drive, solid-state drive, solid-state, and optical drive. Output devices. These devices display data and information, such as the monitor, printer, and speakers. The 5 main hardware components of a computer system. The 5 main hardware components of a computer system are input devices. These devices allow users to input data into the computer, such as the keyboard, mouse, and microphone. Processing devices. These devices process data and instructions, such as the central processing unit, CPU, and the graphics processing unit, GPU. Storage devices. These devices store data such as the hard drive, solid-state drive, solid-state, and optical drive. Output devices. These devices display data and information, such as the monitor, printer, and speakers. Communication devices. These devices allow computers to communicate with each other, such as the network interface card, NIC, and the modem. The importance of computer hardware. Computer hardware is essential for the operation of a computer system. Without hardware, there would be no way for users to input data, process instructions, store data, display information, or communicate with other computers. The different types of computer hardware. There are many different types of computer hardware, each with its own purpose. Some of the most common types of computer hardware include Central Processing Unit, CPU. The CPU is the brain of the computer. It is responsible for processing data and instructions. Random Access Memory, RAM. RAM is used to store data that is currently being used by the CPU. Hard drive. The hard drive is used to store permanent data such as operating systems, applications, and documents. Solid-state drive, SSD. SSDs are a type of hard drive that are faster and more reliable than traditional hard drives. Graphics Processing Unit, GPU is responsible for processing graphics. Monitor. The monitor is used to display information from the computer. Keyboard. The keyboard is used to input data into the computer. Mouse. The mouse is used to control the cursor on the screen. The future of computer hardware. The future of computer hardware is constantly evolving. New technologies are being developed all the time, which are making computers faster, more powerful, and more efficient. Some of the most promising trends in computer hardware include quantum computing. Quantum computers are a new type of computer that use quantum mechanics to perform calculations. Quantum computers are much faster than traditional computers, and they have the potential to revolutionize many industries. Artificial intelligence, AI, is being used to develop new types of computer hardware, such as self-driving cars and virtual assistants. AI is also being used to improve the performance of existing computer hardware. 3D printing. 3D printing is a technology that is being used to create new types of computer hardware, such as custom-made parts and prototypes. 3D printing is also being used to repair and upgrade existing computer hardware. You can choose Infomatrixx solution to recover your data. Mail us Infomatrixx or feel free to call 8,240,447,796